Hi everyone, today we'll be setting up our Arctis Pro wireless gaming headset for PS4. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The Arctis Pro wireless comes with a transmitter box, a USB audio cable, a power cable, a mobile charging cable, a mobile audio cable, an optical cable, 2 batteries, and a pop filter for your mic. To connect to PS4, you'll need the USB audio cable, the optical cable, and optionally the power cable. First, connect the USB audio cable from the mini USB jack on the transmitter base station to your PS4. This USB connection will power on the transmitter, but if you would like the transmitter to always stay on in order to charge your spare battery, you can optionally connect the power cable from the transmitter to a USB power source. Next, connect the optical cable from the transmitter to your PS4. If there's no optical jack, that means you have a PS4 Slim and should check out our guide to using the product with the Slim. Next, go to your PS4 settings and select Sound and Screen. Under Audio Output settings, set your primary output port to Digital Out Optical. And set your audio format priority to Bitstream Dolby. Back in Settings, choose Devices, then Audio Devices. For output to headphones, choose Chat Audio. Now you're ready to power on the headset. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until the white LED illuminates. To use Bluetooth, simply push the button next to your power button. It will illuminate blue to let you know Bluetooth is on. If there are no paired Bluetooth devices, it will go into pairing mode automatically. On the device you would like to pair with, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, then select Arctis Pro Wireless. Your Arctis Pro Wireless comes with 2 batteries. One can always be charging by placing it into the charging slot on the side of the transmitter base station. The other comes pre-assembled in the right ear cup of the headset behind the magnetic speaker plate. Swap batteries by simply taking off the speaker plate and replacing with the battery from the transmitter. If you would like to see more tutorials on the Arctis headset series, please visit support.steelseries.com.